Muhammad from the Emirates, he says, is burping a sign of overeating? How would I know, akhi? I'm not a physician. Yes, there is a hadith when a man burped in the presence of the Prophet ﷺ, and the Prophet said to him, my friend or my brother or whatever, refrain from burping loudly, because those who will starve the longest on the Day of Judgment are those who are mostly full in this life. And this hadith was graded Hasan by Ibn Hajar in Fath al-Bari. Some scholars say that this is weak as well. But how would I know that if this is an indication of overeating? Sometimes you may take medication or antibiotics that would cause you to do this, and Allah knows best.